Hello. Today we are talking about cashews, which are one of the delicious and nutritious nuts that bless us with their rich flavor and high nutritional value. They are rich in essential nutrients, such as protein, fiber, healthy fats, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, which provide the body with many health benefits. Before I mention the benefits, dear viewer, please subscribe to my channel to support me, my dear. Benefits of cashews. Promote heart health. Cashews help lower harmful cholesterol levels and raise beneficial cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improve brain function. Cashews help improve brain function and memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Strengthen the immune system. Cashews boost the immune system thanks to their antioxidant content, which helps the body resist infections and diseases. Maintain bone health. Cashews help strengthen bones and maintain their density thanks to their magnesium and calcium content. Improve digestive health. Cashews help improve digestive health thanks to their fiber content, which promotes bowel movement and reduces the risk of constipation. Helps with weight control. Despite their calorie content, cashews are a healthy option for weight control, as they promote a feeling of fullness and reduce the desire to eat. Improves mood. Cashews contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps improve mood and fight depression and anxiety. Promotes muscle health. Cashews contain protein and magnesium, which play an important role in building and maintaining muscle strength. Supports skin and hair health. Cashews help improve skin and hair health thanks to their antioxidant and vitamin content, such as vitamin E. Feeling full. Cashews help you feel full for a long time thanks to their protein and fiber content, which contributes to weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight. Improves eye health. Cashews help improve eye health thanks to their antioxidant content, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. Tips for eating cashews. It is recommended to eat cashews in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to weight gain. Cashews can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to various dishes, such as salads, desserts, and nuts. It is recommended to choose raw, unsalted cashews for maximum health benefits. Warning. Cashews are one of the nuts that cause allergies in some people. Therefore, it is important to make sure that you are not allergic to cashews before consuming them. In conclusion, cashews are a food rich in nutrients and various health benefits, making them an excellent choice to add to your diet.